So, projects, programs, and portfolios. So, yung project, alam naman natin yan, temporary endeavor to achieve unique service or result. So, ibig sabihin, temporary endeavor, ibig sabihin, may definite time kung kailan siya matatapos. Pag sinabi mo namang program, collection ng projects, ibig sabihin, 2 or more projects coordinated, managed in a coordinated manner. So, ibig sabihin, 2 projects na minamanage, kino-coordinate ng maigi. So, yun yung programs. Pag sinabi mo namang portfolio, yun yung projects or programs na sinasama mo. Yun, kumbaga, for marketing or for personal branding ng company o ng individual, yun yung ginagamit nila na nakagawa sila ng project for this individual and for this company. Yun yung portfolio. Pang marketing mo na yung portfolio. So, yun yung difference ng project, portfolio, tsaka program sa project management. So, yun lang po.